Welcome aspiring Python programmers to our Lists in Python video. I'm Ali. In this tutorial, we'll explore one of the most versatile data structures in Python. Lists allow you to store and manipulate collections of data efficiently. Let's start by learning how to create lists and add elements to them. Here's how you can create and work with lists in Python. In this example, we create lists of numbers, names, and even a list with mixed data types. Once you have a list, you can access its elements by index. Let's see how you can access elements in a list. In this code, we access list elements by their index, including using negative indexing to access elements from the end. Lists are mutable, which means you can change their elements after creating them. So let's modify a list. In this code, we change a name in the names list, add a number to the numbers list, and remove true from the mixed list. Python offers various operations to work with lists efficiently. Let's explore some useful list operations. In this example, we calculate the length of a list, concatenate lists, and create a subset using slicing. Python provides built-in methods to perform common list operations. Here's some handy list methods. In this code, we add a name, remove a number, sort the numbers list, and reverse the names list. List comprehensions are a concise way to create lists based on existing lists. Let's see how list comprehensions work. And in this code, we create a list of squares and filter even numbers from the numbers list using list comprehensions. In this tutorial, we've covered the basics of lists in Python, including creating, accessing, modifying, and performing operations on lists. Lists are incredibly versatile and form a fundamental part of Python programming. With your newfound knowledge of lists, you're well on your way to becoming a proficient Python programmer. Thanks for watching this Lists in Python tutorial, and stay tuned for more Python tutorials. Explore the topic thoroughly and complete practice exercises by visiting our notebook on Google Colab and GitHub. Don't forget to check the description box for the link. See you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel.